and the circuit is one voltage source is there and one resistor. Then we will take here another voltage source like this. So this voltage source value, for example, it is 5 volts and it is 1 volt, and the resistor value is 4 amps. Then current, what is the current? Are out of two voltage sources which is delivering the power, which is absorbing the power, and anyhow resistor will be absorbing the power only. Okay, so 4 ohms absorbing the power. Okay, passive components absorbs the power. Okay, so based on the situation, based on the circuit elements, the voltage source can be absorbing the power also. Okay, so that is what we need to find here. So anyhow, I am going to calculate all the powers related to the three elements in the circuit. First, we will calculate the current which is passing in this particular circuit. So anyhow, these three elements are in series only, so same current is passing. So the entire circuit, whatever the circuit given circuit is there, that can be redrawn. I have taken the original circuit now, and we can assume current I is passing in this particular circuit in the clockwise. You can take anti-clockwise also. There is no rule to take in the clockwise direction. Then just I am redrawing this particular circuit like it is involving 4 ohms and current is passing like this in both the diagrams, and this left edge of the left terminal of the 4 ohms is available at 5 volts and the right terminal is available at 1 volt. And we know as per Ohm's law, V is equal to R into I. What is this V? Voltage across the element. It is not the voltage at the left terminal. It is not the voltage at the right terminal. This is nothing but voltage across the element. So voltage across the element is nothing but we have to take 5 minus 1. That is the voltage across the element 4 ohms. That is equal to resistance value is 4 and current we need to find. So current is equal to 5 minus 1 by 4. That is equal to 4 by 4. That is equal to 1. So 1 is the current passing through the circuit. Again I am retrying the circuit. And here 2 voltage sources, on resistor we have. And we have understood that current I, that is 1 amp, is passing through the circuit, which is involving 5 volts, 1 volt and 4 ohms. Okay, so current always passing from higher potential to lower potential for the passive elements like 4 ohms. So whatever the assumption we have taken, that is true because current we got positive, and that means current is passing in the clockwise direction. Okay, then for the sources, current should enter negative terminal. If I enters at positive terminal, then source absorbs the power. Okay, instead of generating or supplying the power in the circuit, it will absorbing the power. So anyhow, we will calculate the powers. Power for 5 volts is equal to V into I, that is equal to 5 into 1, that is equal to 5 watts. What about power related to 4 ohms? It is I square into R, that is equal to I is 1. So 1 square into 4, that is equal to 4 watts. And the power related to 1 volt source is V into I. V is 1, I is 1, that is equal to 1 watt. You see, as per Telleson's theorem, in any circuit, power delivered must be equal to power absorbed. Power delivered must be equal to power absorbed. So 5 watts is equal to 1 watt plus 4 watts. This is by the source 5 volt source. Okay, and this is by resistor, and this is by 1 volt source. So here surprising result is 1 volt voltage source is absorbing the power. That is what you need to understand. Okay.